Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to count WBC by using the hemocytometer. So we all know that hemocytometer is an instrument that are generally used for the counting of cells like WBC, RBC or platelet. In order to count the cell, we use different kinds of WBC or RBC or platelet diluting fluid which have their specific function. In today's video, I will count basically WBC. So we use the TARX fluid, which consists of glacial acetic acid, which lyses the other cells, Jensen violet or methyl violet or methylene blue, which slightly stain the cells, the WBC, and distilled water to make the 100 microliter, 100 ml or 1000 ml quantity. So at first, in case of counting the WBC, at first we take a hemocytometer which consists of improved Newbert chamber, WBC and RBC pipette, and we basically dilute the cell in case of WBC counting 1:20 with the WBC diluting fluid. So at first take WBC diluting fluid, then add proportional amount of blood, mix well and charge the Newbert chamber. Generally we use the WBC pipette that are designed to actual dilution of 1:20. For that case we take basically 0.5 mark up to the blood, then take up to dilution fluid up to 1, then mix well and charge the Newbert chamber. But in this video we generally dilute in test tube. So we take WBC diluting fluid, that is TARX fluid, 380 microliter, then add 20 microliter of the whole blood and mix well, then charge the improved Newbert chamber. So we all know that WBC is the crucial cell which helps us to fight against the foreign pathogen, which produce the antibodies, which acts against the parasitic infection and many more function. And the average concentrations of the WBC in our blood is basically 4000 to 11,000 per cubic millimeter or microliter. In case of counting, there is a formula that count the 4 corner area of the improved Newbert chamber and multiply with 50. So why 50? Why multiplications done? Details video, basically different video I have already made. You can check it out in my channel, MEDICO SAKIB YouTube channel. So now dilution is done. Then take a improved Newbert chamber, then covered with a cover slip and slightly charge the area. Now after charging the Newbert chamber, wait for minimum 2 minutes for lysis of the other cell and settling down of the WBC. Then take the Newbert chamber, set it under the microscope. At first set under low power field or 10x objective to basically find out the corner area. Then change it into the 40x or high power field, then count it. In order to count the WBC, set one corner, count 16 square, then converted it to the another corner, then another. That means 4 large corner square and 16 square in each corner. That means 64 square we basically need to count, then multiply it with the 50.